Welcome to Splash Facts, where we present to you with fun and interesting facts about water. This week's topic is, how much water does it take? So, how much does it take? It takes about 650 gallons to produce one cotton t-shirt, 2,000 gallons to produce one pair of jeans, 3 gallons to produce one sheet of paper. I bet you're watching this video through your smartphone. Well, it takes about 240 gallons to produce one smartphone. Did you know that it takes approximately 13,000 to 21,000 gallons to produce one vehicle? For the food we eat, it takes about 200 gallons to produce one loaf of bread, 34 gallons to produce one cup of coffee, 660 gallons for one hamburger, 50 gallons to produce one egg, and 468 gallons for 1 pound of chicken.